Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the bottom cover, battery, optical drive or optical drive dummy, hard disk drive assembly or solid-state drive, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, modem module, top cover, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the RS-232 connector cable for later replacement. On the bottom of the base enclosure, remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the RS-232 connector to the base enclosure. On the top of the base enclosure, remove the RS-232 connector cable from the routing channel and tape that secure it to the base enclosure. Slide the RS-232 connector out of the cutout in the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Tow the RS-232 connector in the cutout in the base enclosure. Route the RS-232 connector cable through the routing channel and tape that secure it to the base enclosure. On the bottom of the base enclosure, replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the RS-232 connector to the base enclosure.